Flagstone is a massive stone. It can be very slippery and can be hot underfoot in the summer. It is also susceptible to chipping. If you plan to use flagstone, it is essential to choose a material that is of good quality. Consider paving your drive with permeable pavers if you want a greener driveway. These allow the rainwater to soak into the ground instead of collecting on the surface. It is beneficial for stormwater management and erosion control. You can also use permeable pavers to recycle rainwater. It is an environmentally friendly option. You can install the pavers on the ground or a flat surface. However, you will need to apply for planning permission. If you want a more natural look, you can use stones or plants to fill in the gaps between pavers. It can add a soft look and help soften the edges of your driveway. Pavers are durable and easy to clean. They are also stain resistant. They are available in a variety of colors and shapes. They are also easy to install. You can use pavers to create a formal or casual atmosphere.